Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a fabulous day. Today we are opening up my April Sephora Play Box. So let's see, it looks like I have the version 838, if I'm doing that correctly. I don't know if that matters. I know a lot of people have already gotten their boxes. I did not look at any spoilers this month, so I'm not really sure what I am getting, but if you do not know what Sephora Play is, or Play by Sephora, whatever the hell it's called, it is a beauty subscription. It is only $10 a month, and of course it is from the beauty company Sephora, so everything you get in this box is a sample size, but it's something that if you like, you can go and purchase in a Sephora store. So I love this subscription. It's one of the few remaining at $10. I mean, Ipsy wins for the $10 range, but now Birchbox is more expensive, so these are really just Play by Sephora and Birchbox, or I mean Play by Sephora and Ipsy are really the only $10 subscriptions I know of now, but I really love it. I've really liked my recent bag, so I'm really excited to see what I get this month. So let's get unboxing. So when I open the box, this is what I see. There is a card on top, and then there is a bag full of all of the products. The bag is a little different this month. Usually I think it's red, but it is pink this time. And on the back it says something different too. Player, a beauty concierge with a keen sense of adventure. Cool. So these are like resealable plastic bags. You can reuse it if you want to. Every month you get 50 Beauty Insider points to use at Sephora. I think these work online too, but to be honest, I have never used them. I know that's bad, I've been getting this for a while, but I just haven't really bought anything on Sephora, so I haven't had to, but it's definitely a perk if you want to purchase something inside your box. So let's see what the theme is this month. Oh my god, it's bingo on here. It says, let's play Sephora Bingo Real Talk. Which beauty boxes do you check? Oh, this is so cool. So you just, I guess, check off everything that is true, and then if you get 5 in a row, I guess you win. So that's something fun. I won't do that all right now, but that is what it looks like. And then on the back side, it tells you all about your products, and it says Winning Beauty. This month's beauty gets high scores with must-have makeup, comforting skincare, and nourishing hair care. So it shows you what you get, it gives you a little description and some tips on how to use the item, but it does not give any pricing information, but you can find that on their website, which I failed to mention. I will leave the link down below if you're interested in subscribing or just want to check it out. That will be in the description box. So let's see what's in here. I'm gonna just pick the first thing I see, and this looks like it's a mascara. This is by Urban Decay. I don't know if I've ever used any of their mascaras before. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. It says bigger, blacker, badder. Lengthening and volumizing mascara. Cool. So this is the packaging. And on here it says this is a lengthening and volumizing mascara that glides on easy for full-bodied lashes. Why it gets bonus points. This creamy formula delivers bold lashes without being sticky or clumpy, plus ingredients like honey extract and marine collagen nurture with every swipe. And then it gives you directions on how to use, but I think we all kind of know how to apply mascara now, right? So let's see what's next. Oh, this is something I've used before. I wonder if I've gotten it in a past Sephora Play or where I got it. It could have been from Birchbox. This is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. And I used up my whole sample, and I liked it. I mean, I can't remember anything like insanely awesome about it, but it definitely wasn't bad. So it did last a little while. Like, this is tiny, but with eye creams, it lasts, you know, you just need like a little dab so it doesn't go super quickly, so you can get a feel of it. Like I said, I liked it. I just wasn't in the market to purchase a new one. I think I used this up right before I got my eye cream from my Box of Style by Rachel Zoe, and that is what I'm currently using. So I don't mind getting eye creams. I think I said this in a recent video. I think I got one in my Birchbox this month. I like having some backups, and I don't have any besides the one I just got, so I'm happy to have this. And it says, this is a lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates skin. And why it gets bonus points. This cream helps visibly depuff skin for a refreshed look. Plus its peptides support natural collagen reserves that are threatened by stress. It says to use morning and night, and just apply around the eye area in smooth circular motions until absorbed. I usually don't do that. Maybe I should try circular motions. I usually just pat in my eye cream. What do you guys do? Is that what I should be doing, circular motions? I just like am so weary of like being harsh with that area because I don't want to get more wrinkles because I already have some. Okay. Ooh, next up is something by Fresh. I like Fresh. This is the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. And this is the outer packaging. Here's what the tube looks like. Let's see how much we get in here. Oh, this is a decent size. Look how much is in there. That'll last a little bit. Let me do a little swatch. Oh, this is like super sheer pink. Sorry, I have some foundation on my hand still. Like, I don't even know if you can really see it. So it's like a balm. It goes on really smoothly and it just has like a little teeny pink tint to it. So it says this is a bestseller at Sephora. And then so this is a soft pink lip treatment that enhances volume and provides moisture. Why it gets bonus points. This formula keeps lips moisturized for up to 24 hours, making it perfect for use alone or as a base for long-wear lipstick. Sea fennel visibly smooths lines, while orange extract helps protect lips. Cool. It says you can use it throughout the day or at bedtime, so like a lip balm. Oh, awesome! I'm totally out of my micellar water. I just got the pulled out the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water, matcha green tea extract. I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, it's because it says micellar, but like in French. I've never tried this. I didn't even know Sephora made their own. I guess it doesn't surprise me. But this is a no-rinse, soap-free cleansing water that removes impurities and makeup. This soothing formula leaves skin feeling fresh and comfortable in one simple step. Hydrosen, a plant-derived ingredient, moisturizes and nurtures. Awesome, I definitely need this, so I'm happy to try it. And if it's affordable, because it's a Sephora brand, I think their items are generally less than, you know, the other brands they carry. That would be awesome. Do you guys have a favorite micellar water? If you do, leave it down in the comment section because I definitely need to purchase a new one when that one's up. And then I have something by Makeup Forever. This is Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base Smoothing Primer. So it looks like it's a primer. Okay. And this is a Sephora exclusive. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if there's any tint to it, because in the picture on here, it looks like there's a tint. Yeah, it kind of like looks, it's really light when you blend it in, it goes away, but it looks like how blurring primers sometimes look, how they have a little bit of a tint, but when you blend it out, there's nothing. It feels nice though. Let's see what it says about it. It says, this lightweight primer evens out skin tone, smooths texture, and preps skin for makeup. Make foundation last for hours with a balancing primer that works for all skin tones. It helps makeup stay put while hydrating skin and delivering a smoother, firmer appearance. Awesome. I love trying out new primers. Like different primer foundation combos. Like I love finding good matches, so I'm excited to get that. So far I think this is a pretty good box. Let's see what is left. This is the last thing, and this is the bonus item. So every month you get like 5 deluxe sample sizes, and then you get a bonus. It's usually like a foil packet or a perfume sample. It looks like I got a foil packet. This is by Christopher Robin, Cleansing Volumizing Paste. Is this for your hair or for your face? So this is for hair. And it says, this is a cleansing volumizing paste with pure rasol, or however you say that word, clay rose extract. It's a shampoo. Okay, that makes more sense now. A shampoo formulated with clay that transforms from a paste into an airy foam. I've never tried anything like that. That's interesting. The benefits are to lock in color, it absorbs oil and impurities, and helps create volume from the roots. It would have been nice if it came with like a conditioner with it too, but I actually have more conditioner than I have shampoo, so I don't really mind. So I'm excited to see it like go from, what did it say? Clay to like a paste to a foam? I don't know. But yeah, whatever. So let's do a little recap. So we got that mascara by Urban Decay. I'm not gonna open this right away just because I have several mascaras open, but I'm excited to try it just because I haven't really honestly tried many Urban Decay products now that I think of it. Like I had the Naked palette back in the day. I actually still have like the Naked like small palette, the mini one, but I don't think I've tried much from them otherwise. So I'm excited to try that. I'm definitely excited for this fresh like light pink sheer like balm, because I could always use something like that. And I like when they have a little bit of a tint. So if I don't feel like putting on lipstick too, or, you know, get a little color with it. This Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream, I've used it before and I liked it, so that's cool. The Makeup Forever Primer. I love primers, so that's cool too. And then the micellar water is probably what I'm the most excited about because I actually need micellar water. I'm out of it. I'm out of cotton pads too. I have to write that down so I remember to get some. I always forget to grab that when I'm at the grocery store and out and about and stuff. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. I think it's cool that it has like matcha green tea in it too. So I don't know what that'll do. Maybe like awaken your skin, brighten it a little bit. But yeah, that's awesome. And then we have the bonus item. Oh, I said Christopher Robin. It looks like there's no R at the end. So Christoph Robin. Sorry, I said that wrong before. But we have the shampoo that turned from a clay to a foam, which sounds interesting. So I'll try that out. And yeah, that is the Play by Sephora for April. So are we box twins? Let me know what you guys got in the comment section. I think this is a pretty good box. It's not my all-time favorite, but it's all stuff I will use, so that's cool. That's always a plus. Because sometimes there's things that are just like crazy makeup colors or just things like hair products I wouldn't use or something like that, you know. So this is all stuff I definitely can get some benefit from, so that is awesome. But yeah, I would love to hear what you guys got this month. Do you guys get Sephora Play? Leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you. And anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.